AnyDesk tutorial. Remote work, IT support, and online collaboration have all become essential parts of how we operate today. Whether you're helping a client troubleshoot an issue, accessing your work computer from home, or providing real-time support to a team member, having reliable remote desktop software is crucial. This is where AnyDesk shines. AnyDesk is one of the fastest and most secure remote desktop applications available in 2025. Unlike many traditional tools, it's lightweight, works smoothly even with limited bandwidth, and is designed to provide seamless access across devices, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, or iOS. With its simplicity and powerful performance, AnyDesk has become a go-to choice for IT professionals, freelancers, educators, and businesses of all sizes. In this video, we'll walk through what makes AnyDesk such a popular option. We'll cover its key features and their benefits, explain why it's a great choice for remote access, and wrap up with how you can get started quickly and securely. So for its key features and benefits, first is the lightning fast remote connections. AnyDesk is built on its proprietary Desk RT codec, which compresses and transfers image data in a way that keeps remote sessions smooth and responsive, even on slow internet connections. This means you can interact with your remote device almost as if you were sitting right in front of it, with minimal lag or interruptions. You save time and frustration, especially when dealing with complex tasks or providing technical support where responsiveness is critical. Even if you're working remotely from a low bandwidth location, AnyDesk ensures your workflow remains uninterrupted. Another key feature is the cross-platform compatibility. AnyDesk works seamlessly across all major platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, and even Raspberry Pi. You can also use it directly from a web browser without installing additional software. This flexibility means you can connect from almost any device to another without worrying about operating system limitations. Whether you're an IT technician helping clients on different systems or simply someone who wants access to both work and personal devices, AnyDesk provides a universal solution that keeps you connected anywhere. Another key feature is the strong security and encryption. Security is always a top concern with remote desktop tools, and AnyDesk addresses this by using banking standard TLS 1.2 encryption and RSA 2048 asymmetric key exchange. This ensures that all connections are secure, private, and protected from unauthorized access. You also have options for two-factor authentication and whitelisting trusted devices for extra control. So you can confidently use AnyDesk to access sensitive files, manage business systems, or provide client support, knowing your data is safe. This level of security makes it suitable not just for personal use, but also for enterprises with strict compliance needs. Another key feature is the file transfer and clipboard sync. AnyDesk makes collaboration easier with its built-in file transfer system. You can drag and drop between devices or use the shared clipboard to copy and paste texts, links, or images during a session. This streamlines tasks like sharing documents, installing software, or passing along quick updates while connected. So instead of relying on third-party tools or email to move files back and forth, AnyDesk integrates this directly into your remote session. Another key feature is the session recording and remote printing. For businesses, training, or auditing purposes, AnyDesk offers session recording, letting you capture your remote sessions for later review. There's also a remote printing feature that allows you to send documents from your remote computer to your local printer, making it easy to access files and print them wherever you are. These features add an extra layer of flexibility and accountability. Session recording is especially useful for IT teams or trainers, while remote printing helps professionals who still rely on physical documents. So, why is AnyDesk a great choice? AnyDesk has carved out a strong reputation because it balances speed, security, and ease of use. Unlike heavier remote desktop solutions that require complex setups, AnyDesk can be installed in minutes or even run without installation as a portable app. This makes it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced functionality for power users. In 2025, AnyDesk continues to stand out because of its adaptability. IT professionals can use it to manage global networks, while freelancers can rely on it to stay productive while traveling. So, small businesses can cut costs by using it for internal support, and educators can share their screens for teaching or training lessons. What also makes AnyDesk a great choice is its pricing flexibility. It offers free use for personal connections and scalable paid plans for businesses of any size. This means you can start using it immediately without a financial commitment and upgrade later as your needs grow. So, to sum it up, AnyDesk is one of the most efficient, secure, and user friendly remote desktop tools available today. With fast connections powered by its Desk RT technology, cross platform support, strong encryption, and added features like file transfer and session recording, it provides everything you need for smooth and reliable remote access. So, if you're new to remote desktop software or looking for a more reliable solution in 2025, AnyDesk is definitely worth exploring. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.